Hi, I'm Norma, and this is DimensionAlley 3D Printing Cafe in Berlin. We are happy to open the Robox. Welcome to our unboxing.
Okay.
Inside, an accessories pack, beautifully packaged.
Wow.
Handy carrier bag, excellent for bringing to schools or on tour.
Yeah, it's really handy. Whoa.
Out it comes. In the same colours that we've chosen for our cafe. Green.
Actually, this is a limited colour.
Oh, the limited edition colour for Kickstarter backers.
For Kickstarter backers, you don't get this normally. Oh, the bag is good.
Yeah, very handy bag.
Wow. So nice. Here goes the filaments. Perfect. And then a shot from the back.
This is where the filament will attach.
On the
side.
Just
cut off these.
It has a casing which is closed, which is
Curing
very
tapes.
good.
And open up. Inside is
The user manual.
a little instruction manual. No, this is the safety warranty.
And
We'll put those
this
safety to the side.
has automatic leveling and everything. So okay.
Here we have safety information. Automaker for Windows 7, Mac 10.6 and Linux. Ah, quick start guide. That's what we need.
Right. And then
So let's take this little clip off that's holding our accesses safely.
good.
Small 3D printed clip on the Robox for sure.
Yeah, it's the back is the glue, so it doesn't go out.
And here we have our guide in 14 easy steps. We should have perfectly printed.
Okay, let's go.
And inside we're going to press the back. We've got one electricity cable. Works perfectly.
Yeah.
2 filaments. One.
Do you want to go step by step? I'll
I
set
think it was in green.
so we can just continue.
ABS chrome in chroma green ABS material on the special Robox cartridges, and polar white PLA. And also just go for everything that's in the box. Yeah. And here's our data cable. And what else? We've got little clean wipes. Will come in handy. And some Axis lubricant, high temperature synthetic oil. Wash hands after use. And inside here we have cleaning tools.
That's very handy.
Well, Sale is also known as a tool manufacturer, and here we've got quite a lot of nice sharp cleaning tools for removing those support structures afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. We continue in a minute with installing the software.
So now we're getting ready to feed the filament for the first time. filaments provided 2 rolls by Robox. This is the white, Snow White PLA.
So inside the filaments you have the chip, which then the machine will read the chip and understand what kind of filaments it is. So what do we need to do then next?
So simply feed the end of the filament into one of the extruder entrances located at the bottom left. It says to snip off the end of the filament first so that it has a nice edge. It's very well packaged. So we should snip it to the sideways angle.
Okay. And then which way? That way? Yes, it's only this way.
But don't install it first. First feed the filament and then attach the...
Where am I supposed to feed the filament? Where?
Into the...
one of them.
Into the top one. It says 1. It's in here.
Oh damn. The top one?
The one that says 1. 1 is the top one, yeah?
Okay.
Can you turn?
Yeah. Turn.
Okay.
Feeding the filament into the extruder.
Yeah, until how long? How much?
Simply feed the filament into one of the 2 extruder entrances located on the bottom.
Okay, done. Right, and then?
Then the filament should be feeding its way through into the extruder head, into the hot end. Once the filament reaches the extruder, we will hear the motor start. At this point, continue to feed until you feel the filament has been grabbed. Robox will then automatically feed the material all the way to the head.
Okay, doesn't. Okay, now it's moving.
Now it's moving.
Now it's moving.
Now it's being cooled.
Now it's been cooled. Okay, and then?
Then install the reel. Click the reel, and now we are ready to print.
Now we are taking off the plastic folio from the cover. Nice.
And notice how the head of this cover is open and closed, so it will keep the air inside the printer at the same temperature, helping to keep ABS better stuck to the build plate, but at the same time will protect the little fingers from hot build plates and hot nozzles.
And the smell and dust and everything.
And now, at the moment, the computer is, the automaker where it's running, it's heated up the bed. It's now at 84 degrees the bed, and it's just starting to heat up the nozzle now.
Now we can hear the fan started.
Now the nozzle starting up.
The fan started, yes.
There's another printer running in the background making a lot of noise. The fan started on the Robox. Nozzle's up to 91 degrees, won't be much longer before we see our first print coming out, we hope.
Another 3 print is running in the back.
Nozzle's up to 120, 35. It's quite cool temperature, 195. That's quite cold for a 3D
Yes.
FDM printer.
So let's see what's...
The MakerBot runs at 230. This is quite cold.
Yes.
And it's also got an ambient temperature, so it's telling us that it's now 24 degrees inside the Robox, and it's going to target 34 degrees. We have it.
Wow.
It's got 2 nozzles, one for the outside layer, a 0.3mm nozzle, and one for the inside layer to create...
Oh, now it's automatically leveling itself?
It's automatically checking the leveling of the plate.
Yes.
Saves a lot of time with bits of paper trying to adjust the build plate to the perfect leveling.
No more manual
Build leveling.
build leveling.
And still waiting. Well, it's reached target temperature.
Okay, yay! is the first.
It's supposed to be purging material. We've not seen anything coming out
Yeah,
yet.
you can see it here.
Ah, cool. It's a little swirly lines of material is being purged. Purge in progress.
Now, okay, now the print is finished. Let's take it out. So, let's take a close look at it. We can see a couple of. I think there is a leveling issue. One side of the bottom is very nice. The other side is very stringy. So I'm not sure what is the problem with the leveling. And then we turn around, and then the finishing is not very well finished. So we need to investigate this problem as well and find out what is the problem. And also, there's stringy and a little bit of investigation is needed, I think. Find out there's some whole gap in there in the corner. There's a gap. Right, but for the first print, brilliant. We need to do some more investigation and find out what we can improve in here and to make it perfect. Great job. Thank you.